Today, we're opening kind of a late Christmas present. This is officially the last Concordia University Press publication of 2023, but we're very excited to introduce it to you in 2024. So let's have a look at this here. This book that I'm about to show you is called Some Magnetic Force, Lionel LeMoine FitzGerald Wtritings. It is the newest book in our text context series of artist writings. And we're excited about this one for a few reasons. We think this book is offering a really nice opportunity to reconsider some sort of canonical conceptions of Canadian art history. This is also a book with the most extensive color reproductions we've ever done. We've got a really beautiful glossy section of reproductions of his paintings. And there's also a lot of unpublished writings in here that have not been made available before outside of archives, which is really nice. One of the things that FitzGerald continually comes back to is the distinction between fine and commercial art and how he's interested in sort of bridging that gap. So we're hoping this book is going to be a really valuable resource for artists, for scholars, for curators, but also for teachers and even for students. It has a lot of fantastic material about Canadian art at a particular period in time, but also about art's pedagogy at a particular period in time, how art was taught. And I think even to a certain extent, a lot of reflections on how art is taught, how artists live, that are really valuable today. You can find this book on our website and wherever fine art books are sold. And if you like, you can also follow us on social media. We have a Twitter and an Instagram account at Concordia Press.